morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjit online classes. Class 9, English chapter 1, The Form They Had. From the book Beehives, I am going to discuss the exercises. So listen and see your textbook with a question and try to answer, try to write any doubt you can note it. I hope that the discussion may bring you more success in your life. It's okay? So let's start, student, about the first number question from this chapter number book, chapter number 10, and the exercise 1, then 2, 3, 4, and this everything let's discuss. First number question: how old are Margie and Tommy? So Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Okay, Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years old. Question number 2: what did Margie write in her diary? So, what did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diary, today 17th May 2157 means 2157 year, Tommy found a real book. It's okay, once again, Margie wrote in her diary, today 17 May 21st century 54 means 2154 year, Tommy found a real book. Now question number 3: had Margie ever seen a book before? Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer will be no. Margie had never seen a book before. Yes, Margie किताब कभी भी नहीं देखी थी. Okay. Question number 4: what things about the book did she find strange? इस किताब में क्या नया चीज मिला उसको? Yes, what things about the book did she find strange? Answer is, first point, the book had yellow and wrinkled pages. Yellow and wrinkled pages first, yellow color का, wrinkle मतलब मुड़ा हुआ पेज था. The words of the book were still. Yes, still means not moving. They did not move and the words move on the computer. Computer में जैसे चलता फिरता है वर्ड ऐसे नहीं था. Computer screen. She found these things strange. She found these things strange means वो चीज़ सब अजनबी था. Once again, the book had yellow and wrinkled pages. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen. She found these things strange. It's okay. Question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? Telebook क्या है? What do you think a telebook is? Answer: a telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. Yes, telebook is displayed on a television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. Yes, मतलब book के जैसा ही बराबर में रहता है. It's clear to understand? Then question number 6. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Yes, once again. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Yes. Answer is Margie's school was near her own bedroom. She did not have any classmate. Once again, Margie's school was near her own bedroom. Margie का क्लास अपने ही बेडरूम में थी और उसका कोई क्लासमेट नहीं थे. She did not have any classmate. Okay, clear to understand? Question number 7. Question number 7 once again. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Okay, answer is Margie learned geography and mathematics. Margie learned geography and mathematics. Tommy learned history and mathematics. Means Margie geography sector, Tommy history sector. This is all about the question of few words or a couple of sentences each. Number one. Let's come to the question number two. Answer the following with reference to the story. Reference to the story. I would not throw it away. I would not throw it away. Okay. Let's discuss here. Here, who says these words? First of all, question. Who says these words? Then, what does it refers to? Then, what is it being compared with by the speaker? Three questions here. Okay, who says here? Margie says these words. First point. Second point, what does it refer to? It refers to that real book that Tommy found. Real book, okay? Then third number, what is it being compared with by the speaker? What is compared? The speaker compares it with a telebook. Means telebook के साथ जो real book को compare किया गया है. Okay, clear to understand? Question number two. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Sure, they had a सर उनका टीचर था और a regular teacher था, ये जो कि इंसान था. Okay? Who does they refer to? They refer to the people of the old time. पुराने जमाने के लोगों को बोला गया है. Second number, what does regular mean here? Regular क्या है? ये regular refers to the mechanical teacher. They had. Regular teacher, mechanical teacher को बोला गया. Yes. Number three. What is it contrasted with? What is it contrasted with means it is contrasted with a normal teacher of earlier times who was a living human being. वही अच्छा इंसान था. Yes, that is contrasted between this mechanical teacher. It is all about this reference to context I discuss. Now let's discuss about answer the question. I shall start. Question number one. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? This is a short paragraph type question answer in 30 words. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. उनका mechanical means computer teachers. They had taught on computers and television screen. उनको पढ़ाई कंप्यूटर टेलीविजन से पढ़ाई होता था. Just like we are teaching online classes. Yes, they were taught on computer and television screens. They did not have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. This is the answer. So once again I repeat, Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They didn't have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. It's clear to understand? Question number two. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? County inspector को Margie को क्यों भेजे? Yes. Answer. Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. मतलब मैकेनिकल टीचर अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा था. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. और मर्जी यहाँ पर गलत ही गलत करते जा रही थी. Yes, once again, Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. Question number 3. What did he do? He means the county inspector. What did county inspector do? He slowed down the mechanical teacher's speed up to an average 10-year level. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of Marji. Okay? He slowed down the mechanical teacher's speed up to an average 10-year level. 10 साल के लेवल में कर दिए. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of Marji. It's clear? Question number 4. Why was Marji doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Yes, question is why was Marji doing badly in geography? Geography में क्यों खराब कर रही थी? And what did the county inspector do to help her? काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने उसके लिए क्या किए? Marji had been doing badly in geography. Okay. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast. Mechanical teacher बहुत स्पीड हो गया था. In displaying the questionnaires, the county inspector adjusted its speed up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled appropriately. The county inspector assured that the overall pattern of Marji's progress was quite satisfactory. It's clear to understand? Once again, Marji had been doing badly in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaires. The county inspector adjusted its speed up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled appropriately. The county inspector assured that the overall pattern of Marji's progress was quite satisfactory. It's clear to understand? Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy के टीचर को और क्या हुआ था? Let's see. Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month. Yes, because the history sector had blanked out completely. History sector पूरा खराब हो गया. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. Tommy को कुछ करना नहीं था. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Tommy का दिन वही एक महीना तक आनंद ले रहा था छुट्टी. Okay, Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history section had blanked out completely. So Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. It's okay. Question number 5 is like this. Then question number 6. Did Marji have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Did Marji have regular days and hours for school? If so, yes. Answer is yes. Marji had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. Once again, yes, Marji had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. उनको पूरा रेगुलर में पढ़ाई करेंगे तो अच्छे से उनको पढ़ाई होगा. अच्छा लाइन है. स्पेशली those mothers, those who don't care about the student, it's a great lesson for them. The 7th number question. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? वो पुराना स्कूल के बारे में टॉमी कैसे समझाते हैं? Tommy says that the old schools were different. They had a special building and all the kids went there to study. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They enjoyed time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. Once again, Tommy said that the old schools were different. They had a special building and all the kids were there to study. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They enjoyed time together and learned lessons together in a classroom. This is the question number 7 answer. कि उनके साथ में बहुत अच्छे से मिलजुल के पढ़ाई करते थे. The last question of this section: how does he describe the old kind of teachers? Let's see. He says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers but living human beings. Once again, he says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. They gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers but living human beings. This is question number 8. Now, long questions here. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Once again, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Tommy and Margie have in the story? Okay, Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. They need not go to school for getting a formal education. Mechanical teacher is placed in one of the rooms of the house and they can get the knowledge of various subjects of individually from the mechanical teacher. They don't have such classrooms where students sit together. They study from the telebooks, so they don't require books and exercise books. The examination system is very different. They do homework in a different way. Margie has to write them out in a punch code. She learned it when she was 6 years old. So the system of their education is technologically advanced and not based on printed books. So this is all about the question number 1 answer. I hope you have understood. Then let's discuss question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Let's discuss. Why did Margie hate school? Margie school से क्यों नफरत था? पहली बात है. Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? पुराना जमाने का स्कूल कैसे उसको मतलब अच्छा लगा मर्जी को. Okay, let's discuss here. Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. Okay, वो अपने घर में था स्कूल. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her homework or assignments. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Okay? She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students used to sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. Children needed company to enhance their skills. If they are isolated, they get depressed and dejected. I think this question number 2 would have understood. Once again I say, Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She was supposed to sit in that room alone and complete her home tasks or assignments. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students used to sit together in the classroom. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyard. Children needed company to enhance their skills. If they are isolated, they get depressed and dejected. So that's why Margie thought the old kind of school must have been fun. Then last one of this exercise. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun Then the school in the story give regions of its school. Yes, it is your own region. So whatever the region, let's discuss here. There is no doubt that today's schools are more funny than the future school discussed in the story. As I can comment here, as the because of coronavirus and you have no the regular classes and we are also same pattern we are giving the online classes and teaching you. My question here also students that do you like this regular school going to the class teaching or the mobile recording and going giving with this teaching? Which one is better? You can judge yourself. In this story also same type of story. This school has nothing but the mechanical teacher with no emotions and sentiments. यहाँ पर कोई feelings नहीं था. No emotion, no sentiments. Who's the mechanical teacher? It doesn't have the ability to understand the psychology of a child. बच्चे का मन की मनोविज्ञान को कोई समझ नहीं पा रहे थे. Moreover, it guides a pupils according to its adjusted modes. But today's schools work for overall development of a child. मतलब बच्चे का पूरी विकास के लिए सोचते हैं, सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं. They learn the same thing. The teachers are real human beings. या जो टीचर हैं हम इंसान पढ़ाते हैं, कोई मशीन नहीं, कंप्यूटर नहीं. They learn how to adapt themselves to the new surrounding and cope with the strangers. The student sit and learn together. These activities don't give vent to the feelings or depression, alienation and segregation. Did you all understand? So now students, something we discussed about the grammar also, adverbs. Do you know adverbs? You should know that here by adding something more about the verb, adjective or another adverb that is called adverb. Okay, here you can see in the brackets given awfully, loftily, quickly, sorrowfully, carefully, nonchalantly, completely, differently. So you have to find the best one in the answer. So see, by using, we have to find the best one in the answer and we shall discuss. So first number I am reading here. Number 2, we can see the report must be read carefully so that performance can be improved. Number 2, at the interviews, Samir answered our questions loftily. Yes, loftily. Number 3, we all behave differently when we were tired or hungry. Number 4, the teacher shook her head sorrowfully when Ravi lied to her. Number 5, I completely forgot about it. Number 6, when I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled nonchalantly and tolerantly. 7 number, the president of the company is awfully busy and will not be able to meet you. 7 number, I finished my work quickly so that I could go out to play. This is all about adverbs to find the correct answer. And number 3 you can find, very simple to find the answers. Just like angry, angrily, merry, merrily, easy, easily, tidy, tidily, happy, happily. Just spelling is something, H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, sleepily, S-L-E-P-I-L-Y, sleepily, noisily, N-O-Y-S-Y-L-Y, gloomily, G-L-O-M-I-L-Y, gloomily. You have to know the spellings, okay, in good form. So I hope you can do best of the answer. Now, if clause, if or not unless clause. So you have to discuss about this grammar, if and unless. Let's discuss. Notice that this sentence have 2 parts. The part that begins with if, not or unless tells us the condition. This part has the verb in the present tense. Look at the verb. Don't finish in the sentence above. So let's discuss if not and unless कहाँ use होता है. We shall discuss future tense and present tense. Use of if. You can discuss exercise number 1 and we can do the exercise, and you have to do just like complete the following conditional sentences. Use the correct form of the verb, just like when you have to use if not or unless. Okay, first number 1, if I don't go to Anu's party today, she will be angry or she will be annoyed. Number 2, if you don't telephone the hotel to order food, she will miss your evening meal. Yes. Number 3, unless you promise to write back, I will write to you, or I shall keep requesting you, etc. You can write. Number 4, if she doesn't play any games, she will become lethargic and unfit. Yes, or she will dull and lazy. कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Number 5, unless that little bird flies away quickly, the cat will pounce on it, or the cat will or pounce on it. Okay. In this way, we can write these exercises. Now, last one about the writing. Here, one of the application. We shall practice it here. How to write application, and now let's discuss how to write address. So we shall to discuss. So students, now see one of the writing, a new revised volume of writing section, a letter. Isaac Asimov's short story has been released. Order number 6. This, write a letter to the publisher, Minframe Private Limited. Address number 1631 Asab Ali Road. Address 1631 Asab Road. You can write here 1631 Asab Ali Road. You can write here Asab Ali Road. Address you can write here. Okay. And here New Delhi, requesting that a set be sent to you by valuable post, VPP, and giving your address. Your letter will be at the following parts. Now here you write first his address, then you write here subject, request for the new volume of Isaac or Asimov short stories. This is subject. Then you write, sir, I just came to know that a new revised volume of Isaac Asimov's short stories has been released. I am very grateful if you send one set of this volume as early as possible at my mailing address. Okay, you write this subject here, the body part, then at space one line, you write yours faithfully, then you write your name, either what you have, your own name you write, then you have to enclose, write a DD means drama you have to send for RS 2000 rupee, or what is the cost it may be, by State Bank of India, DD number 123.1205, whatever the DD number, you can write or fiction, imaginary also you can write in the letter, and they will like New Delhi, you have to write all these things. You have to know that first this is the body part, then you have to mention date, here date is here, first your address, then date, then address of the person, yes, address of the senders, address is address here, then subject, then dear sir, madam, then yours faithfully, etc. You have to write these all. Or I can make a format that it will may help you. So student, you always remember that whenever you write a letter, this is the format any letter comes. First of all, your home address, then date comes, then the address is address, is called vegetable. Then it will space. Here after address space, after address space, dear sir, madam space. Then you have to write all the topic according to that space and your sincerely or faithfully, etc. Then your signature. All if any letter comes in the examination after 8 mark, you have to practice this all, and I hope you that if you practice you can get a good mark in the examination. Hope you see you in the next period. So have a good day and goodbye.